and Flexon in particular. 55% of our speech presentation is based on what we see, and 38% is the vocal variety, the tone of the voice. Now, Flexon came onto the stage and he mesmerized the audience with just one sentence. Have you ever blown up? By saying 3 amazing choice of words: angry, furious and fuming. Now this project calls for visual aids, and he had a balloon which he came in here. Each time he said he was feeling the pressure building, he was blowing the balloon, and he burst it within a second, which was his anger. He was fuming. The opening of the speech was brilliantly done. I am sure everybody agreed to that. Yes?
Yes.
He got the attention in a minute. The presentation was about a prop. Now the prop was a balloon for him, which I felt in the beginning I would rather say this project calls for using 2 or more visual aids. So I felt there should have been a chair or a table for you to just keep the balloon in there so that we know it is about the balloon you're talking. The message was very clear, it was appropriate, just let go of your anger, your feelings. Now, you brought about the connection or a conversation between you and the auto driver. A very simple, a simple message that in the conversation with the auto driver, your bond with your sister was so strong, but it's going to end with that statement of your sister that she is going to call off the wedding. You felt it was not appropriate. But with your conversation with the auto driver, where the auto driver taught you a lesson, which I think in today's, whoever is present here, it goes to each one of us, including me. In the last 10 minutes, I have added a person into my life. And you are going to lose one person. Am I the loser? This sentence, I think, is a message for each and everyone out here. Because what we do in a jiffy, we just break relationships. We are only bothered about our selfish goals, our motives. We get a lot of pressure at the workplace, at houses, even at the Toastmasters to prepare speeches. But we just don't understand that we should also listen to other people's talk. So what you were driving home tonight for all of us was that, listen calmly, listen to your special person, whatever they have to do, speaking, instead of coming into any conclusions. So your relationship with your sister even today, though she's a role model, is so strong. Right, Flexon? Yes? Now, you incorporated suggestions from your previous evaluations. That is, when I went through your book, you speak very fast. Now you slow down out here. This was a brilliant speech. This audience, you made eye contact with each one of us. I'm sure you don't know anybody in the audience, but the way you projected yourself with confidence, with ease, and the stage movement. You came in here, you came in there, you went there. Brilliant. Your hand gestures. The most important, which I would say that, though the objective was not met regarding the prop, the balloon, you drove one message very clear: just let go. So can I hear it from all of you? What did he exactly mean? Just let go.